Hey, what's up? Sammy here. Xiaomi has been quiet in this month without releasing anything new until yesterday. It released its newest smart TVs in China, the Mi TV 6 Extreme Edition and the new Mi TV ES 2022. Again, I went to the Mi offline shop here to try to shoot some footage for you guys, but turns out the light reflections on TV make the footage terrible. You see, sometimes I spend so much time and energy to do a video, but to no avail. So please subscribe if you haven't. It's free! Your support is true inspiration for me to put more effort into my videos. Luckily, my friend over at Kojimeishi authorized me to translate their Mi TV 6 Extreme Edition hands-on. I'll put that in the second part of this video. Still, first let's talk about Mi TV ES 2022. One thing I noticed is they changed the old Mi logo to this new Xiaomi logo on the front. Also the software layout. The top one is the new layout. You can see everything in one page, where in the older system you have to click in to see what's inside. Which one do you like? Let me know in the comments section. For other specs of the Mi TV ES 2022, it supports the MediaTek MT9638 chip under the hood and offers a maximum brightness of 700 nits. The Mi TV ES 2022 houses a 2-channel 12.5 watt 4-unit speaker system that supports stereo playback as well. It has a 97% screen-to-body ratio and also arrives with built-in Xiaomi voice assistant. Similar to the Mi TV 6 Extreme Edition, the ES 2022 also offers 4K resolution along with a 94% color DCI PC gamut. Under the hood, it houses 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage. It also supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Now, moving to the 55-inch Mi TV 6 Extreme Edition. The first thing you will notice is the dramatic thickness. I would say it is thickest among all Mi TV series. Even though they have a curved edge design here, I put the phone here so you can have an idea of that. But does that thickness bring any good? Of course it does. Just look at the 2 huge speaker ports on each side. Have you seen any built-in TV speakers bigger than this? So the sound cavity is much larger than a normal TV and should be able to provide a better sound quality. As Xiaomi states, the Mi TV 6 Extreme Edition is the company's first to offer a 100-watt audio system. On the top of the Mi TV 6, we see the air vents and a 48-megapixel dual-AR camera. And if you are wondering what the ports are, here you go. Moving to the back, there is a square thing beside the Xiaomi logo. It's not only for decoration but also is a speaker cone part that we normally see on a subwoofer. It vibrates when the bass is strong. Below that is a sturdy bass. Before we move into the panel, let's check out the accessories that come with the box. A remote control, a manual, and a 3.5mm to 3 RCA AV cable. It's for connecting your old camcorders. I don't think I will ever use it. Regarding the display, it has a 120Hz high refresh rate and even offers 120Hz MEMC as well. Since the Mi TV 6 has a design for Xbox certification, it will be great if you are into gaming stuff. The display features a 3D light film industrial-grade color correction technology and houses an enhanced version of the MediaTek MT9950 chipset. The Mi TV Extreme Edition sports over 100 backlight partitions on the 55-inch LCD panel, which enables it to offer improved brightness, contrast, and picture quality. The display sports a 4K resolution with a 97% DCI P3 color gamut and a 178-degree wide viewing angle. What's more, it has a precision light control feature, which will improve your viewing experience greatly. Speaking of the viewing experience, let's test some audio clips.
It catches all the little details, puts you in the center of the action. It sounds just like the real world. And transports you to faraway lands. Go inside the story with breakthrough sound. Dolby Atmos.
One other thing I want to talk about a little bit more is this 48 megapixel dual AI camera. You can use it to make video calls or even for gesture control recognition. Like spread your palm for 2 seconds to play or pause, make a short gesture, then it will mute the TV, thumbs up to the left side or right side to switch to the next or last media file, OK gesture to take a photo. Also, you can use it as a reminder to remind children if they get too close when watching TV. Alright, that's a quick look of the Mi TV 6 Extreme Edition and the Mi TV ES 2022. I personally wouldn't consider buying a new TV or something because I love watching movies from even bigger screens like the Gemco 01 series projectors I reviewed recently. For sure, the image quality from projectors is not going to compare with a good quality TV, but I just love the immersive experience the Gemco 01 series offers. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section. I'm Sammy. Please don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.